Hello everyone, this is part 85 of our playlist Full Stack Python. So this is a training course. This is a training course. In this training course, we are learning theory in detail, as well as we are learning programming in detail. Right? So we are learning theory as well as we are learning programming in detail. Okay. So this is a training course, not just a video lecture. Right? So this is what a training course. Right? So in the previous video, we were discussing about regular expression. So let's continue from here also regular expression. Okay, so there is a match method. In this match method, you will pass arguments like pattern, string, as well as flag. Okay, three arguments you can pass. If zero or more characters at the beginning of the string, if zero or more character at the beginning of the of string match the regular expression pattern. Return a corresponding match. Return none if the string doesn't match. If string does not match, it return what? None. Right? It will return none. Right? If pattern will not match, if pattern will not match, then it will return none. Right? Okay. And also remember this: if zero or more characters at the beginning of string match, the regular expression pattern return a corresponding match. If none, then does not return none if does not match the pattern. Right? Okay, so let me run ideally so I can tell you better. Okay. Suppose, for example, P1 equals to, if it is a regular expression, I will write here R, and I will write Python. Right. After that, what I will do, I will write here print, and I will return P1. Right. So what it will print? It will print Python. If I check the type, if I will check the type of P1, so what is the type? The string. Right. So what I will do, I will import RE module. RE module comes with Python software and it is a default module. So we don't need to install this module, right? Then RE, if I write P2 equals to RE dot compile, and if here I write Python, right? And if I print P2, so what it is showing RE dot compile Python, right? And if I check the type of P2, so it is what? Pattern, regular expression. RE means regular expression. This is what, right? So what is the class? This one, right? Now see, for example, if I now see again I am importing which module? RE module. Suppose m equals to we have RE dot match. Okay. So match methods are there in RE module. So that's why I'm writing like this. Right. After that, what I will write? Prefix by R and Python. Okay. And I'm also writing py separated by comma. Okay. If I print m, okay, so it is printing RE dot match, then object, then span 0 and 2. Match equals to py. This is returning what? Match equals to py. Because why it is returning match equals to py? Because what we are searching py at the beginning of string. So at the beginning we have py, right? So it is giving what? Corresponding match. Now suppose, for example, if I write here, okay, let me copy it. Instead of writing py, if I search for jy, so jy is there or not? Jy is there in this string or not? No, jy is not available. If not match, then it will return what? It will return none. If I print m, what it is returning? None, right? Okay. Suppose I'm writing here, but I'm searching for capital Py. I'm searching capital Py. Okay. So if I print m this time, so will it return none or it will print corresponding? Okay, let's say. So it is returning what? None. Because capital Py is not there. Okay, it is case sensitive. So capital Py is not there, but small py is there. That's why it is returning what? Corresponding match. It is not returning corresponding match because capital Py is not there. Right. So what we can do, if you want to write ignore the case, so we can add the flag. We can add the flag what? Re dot ignore. What we can write? Ignore case. We can write ignore case, right? And now we can search capital Py, right? Now if I print m, so it is returning corresponding. Okay. Now it will ignore the uppercase and lowercase. It will just search, right? Okay. It okay. Now we will see search. What is search method? Okay. Scan through string looking for the first location where the regular expression pattern produces a match and return a corresponding match. Return none if no position in the string matches the pattern. Okay, so return none if no position in the string matches in the pattern. Okay. Scan through string looking for the first location where the regular expression pattern produces a match and return a corresponding match. Return none if no position in the string matches the pattern. Right. Okay, so let me write example so that you can better understand. Right. Okay, so what I can write here, m equals to re means regular expression. If you are using re, I opened this again. So what I will do first, I will import re. Now I can use re module. So I will write here m equals to re dot search. In search method, I will write here r. Now I will write here Python, and another string I will write. This is Python language. This is what Python language, right? So what is this? This is Python. Is Python available or not? Is Python is available. What will happen? What will happen if I print m? So what is returning? It is returning starting and ending position. Okay. So what is the position of Python? 0, 1, 2, 3, and then space 4, and then 5, 6, 7, and P position is what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so it is returning what? 14. 14 means it will work as 13. Okay. Means the starting position and ending position of this search, right? For example, if I change the position, Python is easy, easy language, right? So what is the position of Python now? P now 0 and ending with 6. What is the sixth position? This one is the sixth position, right? 0 to 5 it will 1. 0 to 5 it will extract, right? Okay. For example, if I write here, if I write here, this is Java language. This is what? Java language. And what I'm searching Python. Is Python there in this string? Is Python there? No, Python is not there. So what will happen if I print M? So it is returning what? None. It is returning none, right? Okay, now we will understand what is find all method. What is the mean of find all method? Return all non-overlapping matches of pattern in string. No, what it returns? Non-overlapping matches of pattern in string as a result of string or tuple. The string is scanned left to right. Okay, the string is scanned left to right. Okay, and matches are returned in the order found. Matches returned in the order found. Empty matches are included in the result. Empty matches are included in the result. Okay, so again I will open ID array. Okay, suppose I will do first I will import RE module. I can work now. Example list1 equals to RE dot find all Python Java. Okay, and Python Oracle Python right .NET and again Python. Correct. Okay, so find all what find all will do. Okay, return all non-overlapping matches of pattern in string as a list string or tuples. So it returns as a list of string or tuples. Right. So if I give enter and if I print list one, so it is returning as a list. So what we are searching for? We are searching Python. So Python is there, Python is there, and Python is there. Three times Python is there. So it is returning what? A list. A list of match. What is it is written? List of match. What is the method name? What is the method name? Find all. Find all is the method name. Alright. If I search capital Python, so what it will return? What it will return? If I print list one, so it is returning nothing because it is case sensitive now. It is what? Case sensitive. That's why it is not returning anything. For example, if I say re dot ignore case. Okay. Re dot ignore case. And if I write now in all capital, so what will happen? Okay. If I print list one. So it is ignoring the case and returning the corresponding matches, right? Okay, now we will discuss about full match. What is this full match? For example, what we are writing here, full match and pattern string as well as flag. Flag means you can write ignore case or something else. Pattern means you are searching like Python. String means like in which sentence you are looking for this pattern. Okay, so we are learning about full match. If the whole string matches the regular expression pattern, return a corresponding match. Return none if the string does not match the pattern. Okay. For example, what we are using, we are writing here full match and we are searching for Python. Python is what pattern and what is our string? Python. And flag is optional. So flag is not there. So if I print M, so it will return Python 0 position, starting position and ending position. Okay, if it is match, then it will print corresponding, right? For example, here we are searching Python and Python and Jython is written. So it is what full match. In full match, it should be match fully. It should be match fully. So it is not full match because here Python as well as Jython. So it is returning what? None. Return none if the string does not match the pattern. Okay. If the whole string matches, if the whole string matches, the regular expression return the pattern. If whole matches, then only it will return the pattern. If whole not matches, whole does not matches, so what will happen? Return a correspond. If it is whole is not matched, then it will return none, right? Now see, the special character used to create regular expression pattern. The special character used to create regular expression pattern. What is that? Dot. Dot is a special character. Dot in the default mode, this matches any character except a new line. If the dot all flag has been specified, this matches any character including a new line. Including a new line. Right? For example, find all. Okay, if I write here dot and I'm searching what and what is a string? Python. So what it will return? It will return list of character. Okay, whatever the characters are there in the string, it will return each character as a list. Okay, see again in the default mode, this matches any character expect a new line. Okay, expect a new line. It can match any character. If the dot all flag has been specified, this matches any character including a new line. Right? So what it is returning list of characters. For example, we have this special symbol capital N. Okay, what is the special symbol capital N? So it will not consider it as a new line. So what will happen? It will return what list including. Okay. So what will happen? Capital backslash n is for new line. Backslash n for new line. So it will ignore this new line. Means it will not consider. So what is this one is Python and this one is language. But new line character is skipped. Right. For example, okay, so dot is there or not? Okay, and we are searching for what flag we are using? Dot all. If we write dot all, so then it will consider new line character also. See, new line character is there or not? So if dot all flag is there, means it will consider backslash n also, right? And what is this? Python, Jython, R Python programming, right? So if I write list for So what is returning? What it is returning? Py, py, it is returning, right? Because what is our character? First pattern is what? P. Okay, and dot. Dot means P followed by 0 or alright. So dot means this P followed by, like, one character should be there. After P, one character should be there. So what is our pattern? P and dot. So one character should be there after P. So P and Y it will consider. Then Py it will consider. Then okay, Py and P. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5, right? Right or not? Okay. See here, this one is what? Find all method, and what we are writing here, P dot T. P dot T means one character should be between P and T. Okay. So there is a one character between P and T. So it is matches. Okay. There is a one character between P and T. So this is also matches. So how many? It will return corresponding to, right? Okay. So now what is our pattern? Dot 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 means any two characters. So it will take this, then it will take this two character, then to this character, then this two, then this two, okay, then this two, then this two, right? And gn space, okay, and like this it will consider only two characters like py, th, on, then space and p it will consider space and p, then r, right? Like this. Okay, so this is what? This is caret symbol. This symbol is known as caret symbol. Okay, matches the start of string, and in multi-line mode also matches immediately after each new line. Okay? Matches immediately after each new line. Right? For example, what is our pattern? Caret symbol and py. And what is our string? Python. So if I print here m, so what it will return? It will return py, corresponding string, corresponding pattern it will return. Okay, what is the position? 0 and 2. Right? For example, find names begin with R. Find name begins with R. So these are the list of names. List of names are there. Okay. And what we are writing? For name in names. Okay, we are iterating it. And then what we are using? Search. So we can begin with R. What we are searching? Begin with R. All the letters begin with R. So what we are doing? We are writing caret symbol and that pattern. And we are searching in name string. Alright. So we will say if m. If m means if true. If true. If m means if true, then print name. And true when it is true, when it is starting with R. Okay, if it's starting with R. So this is the result. Rajesh and Rakesh. This is all, right? Suppose I'm writing multi-line string. Python is easy. Python is high level. Python is object oriented. Python is Python implementation. Like this I'm writing. And what I'm writing here, find all method. and this is regular expression. That's why I'm writing here R. Caret symbol and py means it will search in the beginning. This pattern look in the beginning, and this one is what our string, and this one is flag multi-line. We give the flag as multi-line. Okay, so here this is beginning with py, this is beginning with py, this is beginning with py, but this is not beginning with py. Okay, so it search in the beginning, it search in the beginning, search in the beginning, right? So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, it will not consider this one, right? This one will not consider. It search in the beginning. Caret symbol means it will search in the beginning. Now we have dollar symbol, matches the end of the string or just before the new line at the end of the string, and in multi-line mode also matches before a new line, right? Example, find names end with h. So import re module. Then what I will do, I will create a list, name list I will create. I will iterate each list and I will search. This is what search method, and I will write here r means regular expression, h and dollar. Dollar means ending with, and name ending with h. So all the names it will highlight it. It will give the output which is ending with h, ending with h. So it will give three names ending with h, right? Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, now we will see asterisk symbol. What's the meaning of asterisk symbol, right? Okay, causes the resulting RE means regular expression RE to match zero or more repetitions of the proceeding RE. As many repetitions are possible. AB asterisk will match AB or A, followed by any number of B's. Okay. AB, okay, followed by any number of B means either 0B or more than 0. 0 or 0, right? For example, we have this string, right? And what we are doing, we are writing find all, and we are looking A. What is pattern A? Followed by any number of B means 0 or more B in which string this string, right? So it will give the output like this. A followed by 0 number of B. So it will consider or not, because A is there but 0 B is there. So this will also consider, right? Okay, A immediate followed by, okay, A followed by 0 or more B, correct? Right? So it will return like this. Okay, now see, find all the names whose name start with R and end with N. Okay, so we will write the program to check whose name is starting with R and ending with N, right? So what we will do, first we will import RE module. Then we will write the list of names like this. Then we will iterate each name, and we will write method full match, and we will write the pattern caret symbol R. Okay, starting with caret symbol and R means starting with R, then dot, and then asterisk. Asterisk means 0 or more, and then N, and dollar symbol. Dollar symbol means ending with N, right? And then what we are writing, if N, if it is true, then it will print the name. What name it will print? Raman. It will print what? Raman. Because Raman is starting with R, ending with N. Okay, now understand plus. What's the meaning of plus? Causes the resulting RE to match one, or RE to match one or more representations of the preceding regular expression. AB plus will match A followed by any non-zero numbers of B. Is it will not match just A. Okay. If it is written like A and B plus means there should be at least one B, and more can be any number of. Okay, there should be at least one B and more. And if it is written like A star means zero, or it is possible B may be there or may not be there, but B must be there at least one time, right? So this is all about plus operator. In the next lecture, we will write more program on regular expression. Okay, so we will practice more regular expression in the next video also. All right, so thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Thank you everyone. Please keep practice of each lecture. Okay, because practice will improve your logics, right? So thank you everyone for watching this video, and don't forget to smile. Right. Bye everyone.